हेलो बच्चों, क्या हाल चाल? बढ़िया एकदम. So we are group S-11 and I am Parimal Vasmatkar. The topic we are covering in this session is von Neumann architecture. Von Neumann architecture was first published by John von Neumann in 1945. His computer architecture design consists of a control unit, arithmetical and logic unit, memory unit, registers and input-outputs. Von Neumann architecture is based on the stored program computer concept, where instructions data and program data are stored in the same memory. This design is still used in most of the computers produced today.
The von Neumann architecture basically comprises of 5 units, that is memory, control, arithmetic and logic, input and the output units. The central processing unit comprises of control and arithmetic and logic units. The control unit fetches the data, that is from the system memory or the main memory, and then the data is processed by the arithmetic and logic unit sequentially according to the instructions decoded by the control unit. The input and the output units provide interface between the computer and the humans.
Register high-speed storage areas. All data must be stored within the registers before it can be stored. It holds the address of the current instruction that is to be fetched from memory, or the address in memory to which data is to be transferred. One of the type of the register is memory data register. It holds the contents found at the address held in MAR
that carries out arithmetic and logic operations on the operands in computer instruction words. In some processors, the ALU is divided into two units, an arithmetic unit and a logical unit. Some processors contain more than one AU, for example, one for fixed point operations and another for floating point operations. In computer systems, floating point computations are sometimes done by a floating point unit on a separate chip called a numeric coprocessor. In simple words, ALU allows arithmetic.
Hello guys, let's come to a control unit. A control unit or a CU is a circuitry within a computer's processor that directs operation. It instructs the memory, logic unit and both output and input devices of a computer on how to respond to program's instruction. A control unit handles all processor control signals. It directs all input and output flow, fetches code for instruction and controls how data moves around the system. Lastly, the control unit also provides the timing and control unit signals required by other computer components.
Hello friends, I am Bharat Ghote and I will tell you about what we learn in this von Neumann architecture in the conclusion part of our topic. So von Neumann architecture is incredibly successful with the modern computer, following the idea of the stored program system.